right to the left of it.
Yeah.
It looks like what? It looks like the ocean. It has a wave, like a big wave.
Yeah.
Going down. It looks like a wave.
Come.
Can you drink the water that's in the ocean?
No, it's got salt on it. Come on, let's get past this house. This dog is going crazy. He's like, woo, 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 woo. Careful, you're going into the yard. You gotta get
They're
past
not
it.
going crazy because of us.
Yes, they are. He's like, oh, hey, hey, get out of here.
Oh!
Touching it?
You saw that?
Yep.
I was on the bike pedaling with 2 hands, and then I let go of 1 hand, and then I touched the leaves. I was pedaling with 1 hand and touched.
Oh, careful, careful. Watch out.
on the leaves.
Watch where you're going.
Is that cool?
That was really cool.
Have you never seen someone do that?
Nope.
Oh, there's a kitty. With water in it to keep the cat healthy.
Yeah. Make sure if it gets stuck outside, it got some water.
It's probably food.
Careful.
He doesn't know what a food is.
All right, we gotta go to the right, okay? Make sure you look both ways. You gotta go right. We're not crossing the street. We're going this way. This way across the street. Ready? Go. This way. Here comes an alley. What do you do? Go both ways. Here comes the street.
That way the
Careful.
we should be looking at because we're daily coming through that way.
Careful of the big old cracks. All right. Time to go back home.